What's up, YouTube? Quick update. Last time recorded a video. We were here. We had already hit our target here. So our goal was to go to 63. This was yesterday, so we should be at 63.95 now. So currently I'm at 110, but I actually got in on the 12th, and I think I was up to $70 in the account, from $30 to 70, and I pretty much blew the whole account, which is upsetting. What happened was, instead of doing my just a couple of trades to get up 10%, I said, okay, I'm off. Let me try to get ahead. So basically, I got impatient. I got tired of slow rolling. I didn't want to make $7 to $10, $6, whatever. I wanted to just place a couple of trades and maybe get here, and then the next day maybe place a couple of trades and get here, whatever the case. You know, so I could expedite the process, because I was being impatient, and it backfired on me. I placed too many trades. I went from that $70 down to like $55. Then I battled back, got it up to 80, which was cool, and then I continued to go. And once I got it back down to $60, instead of saying, okay, I should be at 63, let me just stop, I kept going, because now I wanted to get back to the 80. So I battled back and forth, and kept dropping more and more. And the more I dropped, the more I traded, trying to get it back. And another thing I did was, since I came in with the mindset of placing more trades, and if you watch the previous video, I'm talking about that I'll place more trades. So I came in with the mindset that I'll place more trades, so I wasn't as selective with trades. So if I go in with the mindset saying I'm only going to place 2 or 3, I only want two trades, my bad. I pretty much, how should I put it? Yeah, I focus more on my entries. But if I go in with the mindset of saying, okay, I'm going to place a lot of trades, I just take a lot of entries, which are not as good as they should be. So with that being said, I ended up, let me see if you can see, or what you can see here. So I deposited, so I blew the account all the way. So I deposited $35, and that $35 I turned into 110. So so I'm pretty much back to where I need to be. I made the 70 back. Let's see. If y'all want to see, I placed $10 trades. You know, high risk, high reward. But yeah, this was also a back and forth battle. I mean, not really a battle. It wasn't a battle. I did good. I did good there, from 30 up to 110, 35 up to 110. But I'm still very disappointed. Feel like I let some people down. Another thing I will say, I took the profile off of private and had somebody copy me. But for some reason, every time I let someone copy, I do bad. So I don't know if it's me, as far as just wanting to make it worthwhile for that person, and then it ends up backfiring, right? Or if, because the trades I took, man, I felt good about them, and it would spike me out last minute. It was kind of crazy, and upsetting. So I don't know if when I get copied, if PO starts acting funny, because a lot of people feel like PO is manipulated. I don't want to believe that, only because if it is, what am I doing here? You know what I mean? So if it is manipulated, like, how am I supposed to expect to make a living out of this? So I'm gonna go with it's not manipulated. I think I just I know I wasn't as selective as I should have been, and whenever I let somebody copy me, I just don't do well doing it. So that'll be my last time taking my profile off private, because I might take it off private to get into the rankings or whatever once the numbers get higher, but I won't I won't allow any copying. Not because I'm being stingy. I mean, I would love to be able to make money for people. It's just that I just don't do good, and I hate losing money for people. I think that's the problem. And when I was up 80, I'm sure that person would have been happy with $8, $9 profit. But I just wanted to do more, and that's I wanted them to see it and be like, "Wow, okay, cool, nice." But well, the opposite happened, right? But yeah, I just put too much pressure on myself when someone's copying. So basically, I'm just gonna continue from here. But what I plan on doing is once I start this back up, I'll probably change the dates. I'll probably start over, get rid of all of this, whatever balance I'm starting at, whatever balance I'm starting at. Um, I'll put the balance and the date here, and we'll go from there. But what I do want to do, the next video might be a tournament. Well, I got into the daily tournament, but I already blew through that. So this one starts in 30 minutes. So I might get into that one, and I'll probably record a session in the tournament, make a quick 15, 20, $30. You know, worst case scenario 5. But I'll show y'all how I do in the tournaments to make a quick 30. And a lot of times, and what I should have done this time is, once I've lost some trades and my balance gets low, I should have kept like $10 in there so I could do the daily tournament. And worst case scenario, do 2 or 3 rebuys and get that $30. That's what I should have done, but I didn't do it. So shame on me. I'm human like everyone else, and I made the mistake. Now, like I said, I was able to recover the money, but that wasn't the goal. So what I want to do is continue to build this with some trading. Like I was on a good run here, made the money back, so I kind of don't want to trade anymore. I kind of feel burnt out. I'm still disappointed from yesterday, but I will do some tournaments, try to get a couple of first place or second or third place wins, and just slowly build it up that way, and then we'll get back in here. So we'll at least be able to make some decent profits. Nothing's wrong with making these profits here, but I'm just used to bigger amounts, and I'll take it more serious once we get down here. Um, I'm not saying I didn't take it serious. I just I just didn't do good. There's no excuse. I'm to blame, and I should know better. So just trying to be transparent, and we'll go from there. But luckily, I was able to deposit that $35 and go up. So we're back in the game, but it really wasn't the plan. That wasn't the plan. So I pretty much failed at this, and I'm gonna try it again. So let me just what I'll do is add $35 to these balances, and basically see where that would put us. Let me see if I can do that now. Is the formula in here? Yeah. So 3610 plus 35. Okay. I hope these formulas will all just adjust, and we'll be good to go. So let's try that. Oh, that don't work. So that'll be $71.10. Okay, that updated everything. So today's the 13th. So we need to be at 125. So tomorrow we should be starting at 138. So I will try to get it there and continue. So I added the $36 deposit that I did. So basically like $35 deposit. So basically to where It made it seem like we started here, basically, because the deposit doesn't count as profit for me. So basically, I I need to get it to 138 by tomorrow. We should be at, yeah. So I just need to get 20, 30 more, and we'll be good to go, and we can start back with the series. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll holler at y'all tomorrow. See if I can make it there. Deuce.